Hey Guru Nation, wanted to do a quick short video while I'm waiting to talk to my PI to get him to sign a CV for an upcoming study. Stay tuned for that. Is to talk about what happens at a site when there's a new coordinator. So this happens a lot. There's a lot of turnover at the academic medical centers. So what happens when a new study coordinator is replacing the previous study coordinator? So what happens in those situations is EDC access, EDC training, protocol training, delegation of duties log, GP, CV, IATA, in most cases if they're processing labs, from what I can think of, as well as possibly IWRS access. And as you know, coordinator pretty much does everything, so those are what I just mentioned are the most important parts of a study. So that all those need to be collected by the CRAs or by the sites prior to the coordinator actually beginning to do any work. So if you're a CRA or if you're a site and you're in that transition, you at least know the most basic things you got to do. I'm trying to keep this video short. Take care.